During the Japanese occupation period, Baroque style was very popular. But if you take a look at the facade of these buildings, you can find some dragons, lions, or some birds. So this is not European, right? It's like a fusion of Baroque style and Asian style. This is very famous store here. It's they sell 𝙏𝙭 and tofu. We don't have 𝙏𝙭 or tofu in Russia. And when I saw it, I didn't know what it is. But then when I tried it, oh, 𝙏𝙭 is so tasty. Yeah, now I always eat it. Taoyuan has a great variety of natural attractions and also a lot of historic spots to choose from. This small area also includes a lot of groups of people with different cultural backgrounds, such as Hakka people, indigenous people, and Minnan people. Taoyuan also serves as an international hub in Taiwan and hopes to attract more foreigners from all over the world to discover the history and modern attractions of Taoyuan city. During the Japanese occupation period, Baroque style was very popular, you see? And this street, 𝙏𝙭𝙤𝙮 and 𝘾𝙞𝙩𝙮, both of these streets were built with this Baroque style. But the very interesting fact that if you take a look at the facade of these buildings, you can find some dragons, lions, or some birds. So this is not European, right? It's like a fusion of Baroque style and Asian style. This is really nice, because in Europe you'll never find it, dragons or lions, you know, but this is like completely different. I like it. And also the thing is, all of these signs, right? Yeah. They are small, and this street is like really well organized. So you can really see the facade of these buildings. You can enjoy it, you know, you can see these pictures, ornaments, everything. So that's our store.
So this is what kind of store?
This is very famous store here. It's they sell 𝙏𝙭 and tofu.
What is a 𝙏𝙭?
𝙏𝙭 is made by soybeans.
It's actually interesting. We don't have 𝙏𝙭 or tofu in Russia.
When we eat dry tofu, we always say, 吃豆干做大官. When you eat this kind of 𝙏𝙭, dry tofu, and it sounds like you could be kind of in the government, have a good position.
Oh, good position. Okay.
Be super rich, yeah.
Interesting. That's what we need. Okay, so we need to eat more. Right?
Oh, yeah.
Looks so nice.
Yeah.
So you said you use caramel to cook 𝙏𝙭.
Yes.
Really? So can you explain it?
So when we put the caramels water, they can protection the dry tofu can keep longer.
Okay.
I've never tried this, but it's
so you can
interesting.
try
Just try.
Yeah, this is
It's spicy?
pepper. I guess it's spicy.
It's super hot.
Yeah, that is so sweet.
You will never find this kind of food in Russia.
Yeah.
So
one day maybe you go home there. I can sponsor.
I can bring some. Good idea. Good idea. I tell you a secret. When I first came to Taiwan, I was really scared of like tofu. Yeah, because we don't have this food. And when I saw it, I didn't know what it is. But then when I tried it,
So
when I tried 𝙏𝙭,
forget it.
oh, 𝙏𝙭 is so tasty. Yeah, now I always eat it. is Daxi Bridge, and as you can see, it has the same design as this Daxi Old Street. It's the same
Now I see it, yes.
Baroque style. Actually, it has a very interesting history. Before it was made of like bamboo, you know, and just like a wood. But
Wow.
because
This kind of wind.
but because it's windy and typhoons, so it was damaged. And now they rebuild it. Now you can see it's like completely new appearance. And also, they have very good lights. They turn it on at night,
Oh,
and you can really enjoy this night view. Really nice. I love it. I love it. I really like 𝙏𝙭, and today we even tried this one with a caramel. This is like so special. I've never tried this anywhere. And another thing is, I really like European architecture and the fact that like this bridge and street, they all made in, they were built in Baroque style. So it makes me feel like I'm really in Moscow, like I'm home, you know. So yeah, this is really good atmosphere, and I'm really happy that I actually shared this with my friends.
Today, I eat a Taiwanese 𝙏𝙭, it's a dry tofu. Its owner is really kind. And then today, I get in the Daxi street, so everyone's very kind and everyone's so friendly. I really love Taiwanese, this spirit.
I actually really enjoyed how our trip to Taoyuan started. I think Daxi has the best old street that I've been to in Taiwan. I would recommend those who want to try it to come here, come a little bit earlier so you can also experience the morning traditional market. It's more like local lifestyle that's been preserved and still naturally kind of exist in this area. Yeah, that's a great beginning of our trip to Taoyuan, and I'm already pretty impressed that I've never been here. Why? So I'm really looking forward to what we're gonna see today.